Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Corey from CJ's. Today we have a Jeep Gladiator in with some awesome looking headlights that JP from Oracle Lighting is going to let us know about.
Thanks, Corey. These are the Oculus bi-LED headlights. These are made for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. These feature a unique bezel design, which we actually crowdsourced from our community. Also, high quality projection optic with over 5,000 total lumens and Oracle Halo.
Thanks JP, but how do these Oculus headlights compare to the factory LED option?
That's a great question. So we actually benchmarked these against the premium LED headlight option from Jeep, and these outperform those headlights in every measurable category. And the best part about that is we're able to come in at less than half of the cost of the premium LED option from Jeep.
So these Oculus headlights, they look great, they function great, but how about the install?
These are actually a direct fit plug and play install. Simply remove the grille, unbolt the factory headlights, bolt the Oculus headlights in, and you're done.
All right, JP, thanks for coming in today. These headlights look great, they function well, and if you'd like any Oracle products, make sure to check out cjponyparts.com for all your needs.